well, what's coming to you, Tom?
The world, Chico. And everything in it.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Same day, different video for me, different day for y'all. But before we get started, make sure y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn the post notification bell to all. Now this video, if y'all didn't watch my when I was, which one was it, changing the fuel pump on the Cutlass, I think, or it might have been putting the battery terminals on, but we unboxed this shift knob or shifter, whatever y'all want to call it, and it's gonna go in the box right here. I think that look a whole lot, well, like this, but like I was saying, I think that look a whole lot better. I don't know if y'all can see, my bad, but yeah, like I was saying, I think this look a whole lot better than the stock one. So that's what we finna be installing in this video. Hopefully it don't take me too long. I might look up something to make sure I do it right, but yeah, hopefully it don't, like I was saying, hopefully it don't take too long to do it, because I still got one more video to try to record, and that'll be really it. I gotta go home and edit these videos. I'm trying to find me a crib so I can have all my cars together, and I'm trying to finish that Cutlass, man. That Cutlass is really what I want running, because this is done, this box. I just gotta put an alternator on. Well, somebody was supposed to been doing it, but it ain't got done in so long, so I might end up just doing it myself. But yeah, it's not really much else I really need to do with this car. I gotta find 2 more tires so I can mount up them wheels. I gotta get this dash. I don't know if y'all can see it. See the cracks. I gotta get the dash done. So I found some dash covers or whatever they call. I found some online. I'm probably gonna order, but I ain't feel like ordering it right now. I wanted to make sure all my cars is running right before I start just blowing money on, you know, cosmetic stuff to make the car look good instead of actually run good. And I'm trying to find another box. Instead of like the 84, 85, I want a 87, 88, 89, one of them years, because I really like them. My dad got an 87 or 88 Caprice. I forgot which year it is. It's an orange one. Y'all might have seen it in one of my old intros. But yeah, he got an orange Caprice, and I just love that model. I want one of them so bad. So I don't know if I want to get rid of this one and then give me one of them, or just go ahead and get one of them and keep both. I don't know. I'm gonna figure out something once I find one of them cars. So, and I want a Buick GNX. So, and them going crazy high right now. So that's over for that for now. Until we start making good money, then we can, you know, go and invest in different type of cars, all that type of stuff. But yeah, so I'm finna get ready to install this shifter. I just be going on and on and on talking, don't I? I apologize, but we finna get ready to do this shifter. I'm finna look up a video real quick, try to see how I do it. So, because I don't want to mess up nothing, I don't want to do nothing wrong, then I can't put no shifter back on here and the car just stuck in park. But yeah, I'm finna look up a video real quick. Alright y'all, so I tried to look up some videos, didn't work, so I just figured why not just try doing this myself. So let me sit y'all up for me real quick. Y'all can't even see me, but y'all get the picture. So really it's just it's like a little, I'm gonna be honest, I don't even know what to call it, but it's like a little bolt, kind of like right here. So all I did that first was just hit it with the screwdriver. I put it right here and I hit it with a hammer and I got it out just like that. Y'all see just this little bolt holding it in. So that's out, and the shifter just come right out. So this should be pretty easy, I ain't gonna lie. This should be quick. Put the new shifter in. Make sure I put it in right. Just like it. Oh, come on. Don't tell me it won't go. Hold on. Oh shoot, I had it wrong anyway. Like this. Okay, got it. Alright. Bro, this is gonna be a quick video, no way. I might have to go from this way. Alright, let me see. Let me see if I can go from this way. Alright, now I just need to hammer it down. This is the only bad part. Now I can't hammer it all the way down. But you feel me? Now it's a little better. I like it. It looked better anyways though. Y'all see like what I was saying though? I want to do everything myself, and I just taught myself how to do this within like 20 seconds. I didn't have the camera off that long, but I just gotta get that focus. I gotta get that little bolt hammer back in right. But you feel me? Small little upgrade. Look better. You see? Small little upgrade, and it look real good. Now I just need to get the interior done and get this car painted. But yeah, let me try and hammer this down real quick. There it go. It needs to go down a little bit more so it don't try and pop up on me. I don't think it's gonna move though. I don't think it's gonna move. Where's my car key? Hold up, y'all. Make sure ain't nothing in the Alright, so I can leave y'all right there. Make sure we good. Come on now. There we go. Oh, never mind, died out. There we go. My bad, y'all crooked and everything. But yeah, I just wanted to test out this shifter real quick. So, don't mind my steering wheel. I'm looking at getting one of them brown ones that everybody used to have growing up, you feel me? I'm going to get one of those. Yeah. Shifter worked good. And it looked good too, man. I like this. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the new shifter. Is it a dub? Y'all let me know. I might dry this today. I ain't gonna lie, once I finish doing all this stuff, I might go ahead and dry this today. But yeah, this is what we ordered. I don't know if y'all can see it. The billet aluminum column. And literally all you have to do is just pop out that little bolt. That's literally all you gotta do is a little bolt right up there. Once you get that popped out, you good money, no cap. A little sneak peek of what we doing next video. We gonna fix this wiring back here. And then we gonna, I ain't gonna say the rest, but we finna clean this up a little bit. I wish I could left my seat back, but I'm telling y'all. Yeah, we good money. I'll be right back in a second for the the outro. Alright y'all, that's it for this one. I appreciate y'all for watching. If you watched all the way to the end, make sure y'all hit that like button. It's free. Subscribe to the channel, it's free. Don't cost you nothing. Like I said, I'm trying to become more consistent. That's why I'm trying to record as much as I can within certain days. Because some days I'm not able to record, and some days I am able to record. So that's what that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to record as much as possible. All in one day, because most days I'm not able to, because I got so much to do. People relying on me a lot. People want me to do a lot of stuff. So really, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to record as much as possible the days that I can. So y'all hit the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Like I said, we installed this billet aluminum column. It's a new shift knob, shifter, whatever you want to call it. Your perspective. I don't think I used that right, but like I said, we installed a new billet column. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Now I got one more video I'm finna try to record. I don't know if I'm gonna break that up into 2 videos, just use it as one full video. But yeah, so far today we installed that. I didn't know how to do it, and I did it within like 5 seconds. I couldn't find a video to do it. All the videos on like newer cars, which I don't know why. I guess people like this instead of the little plastic shifters. But I got this old shift knob now. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Probably throw it away. I don't need it. We got a new one on there. And that little column was only like $30 plus shipping. No, shipping was free plus tax. So it was only like $30. Wasn't that bad. I think it was a pretty good deal. Yeah, we finna, oh shoot, this ain't a new video. I just lost my train of thought. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But I'm finna go ahead and end this one. And we finna go ahead and start on my next video. So make sure y'all stay tuned for the next one. I'll catch y'all in a second. Well, not catch y'all in a second. Bro, I don't know. I'm just losing my train of thought. But I appreciate y'all for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. That's what I meant to say. Catch y'all in the next one.